Tesla Model Y. TPMS light on, left rear tire pressure faulty. First, lift the tire with a jack. Remove the wheel cover. Use the removable tool to take off the wheel bolts in order. Remove the tire. Mount on the tire machine. Separate the tire. Remove the old tire pressure sensor. Take out the new tire pressure sensor and install it in the corresponding position. Inflate to the standard pressure. Reinstall the tire on the car. Hand tighten the tire bolts first. Use the tool to tighten the tire bolts again. Install the wheel cover. Reset the TPMS. Start the road test to match the tire pressure. The left rear tire pressure is displayed. Continue driving. The right front tire pressure is displayed. The right rear tire pressure is also displayed. Automatic matching successful.